Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix an Audi A4 convertible top. First, you'll want to identify the specific problem, whether it's a hydraulic leak, a sensor issue, or an electrical fault. Begin by checking the hydraulic fluid level in the pump reservoir, usually located in the trunk. Next, inspect all relevant fuses and electrical connections to ensure proper power supply to the convertible top system. This initial check can often pinpoint simple solutions. Once you've completed the basic checks, listen carefully for any unusual noises when attempting to operate the top. These sounds can indicate worn gears or mechanical binding. A diagnostic scanner is invaluable for reading fault codes from the convertible top control module, providing specific error messages like 02000 or 01986. Also, visually inspect the convertible top fabric itself for any tears, fraying, or damage that might prevent proper sealing or movement. For hydraulic issues, you might need to replace worn lines or even the pump motor if it's failing. Electrical problems often involve adjusting or replacing faulty microswitches and sensors that detect the top's position, such as the F295 switch. Always ensure these components are correctly aligned. Don't forget to regularly lubricate all moving parts and hinges with a suitable grease to maintain smooth operation and prevent future wear. For more complex issues, especially those involving intricate electrical wiring or hydraulic system overhauls, it's often best to consult a professional mechanic specializing in convertible tops. Regular cleaning and conditioning of your convertible top material will extend its life and prevent common problems. Remember, preventative maintenance is key to avoiding costly repairs. Also, for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.